In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Adobe Acrobat your default PDF viewer on Windows 10. This process ensures that every time you open a PDF document, it automatically opens in Adobe Acrobat, providing you with all the powerful tools and functionalities Adobe offers. So let's dive right into it and simplify your PDF viewing experience. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings on your desktop or laptop. This step is the foundation of the process, as settings are the control center for customizing your operating system's behavior. To access it, you may click on the Start menu, that little Windows icon in the lower left corner of your screen, or simply press the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the Start menu is open, you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll be looking for the Apps section. It's where you're going to find all the options related to applications installed on your computer. Click on it, and it'll lead you to a variety of choices related to managing your apps. Here, you'll want to look for Default Apps. This section is particularly important because it dictates which programs your system uses by default for various tasks, like opening music, videos, and of course, PDFs. In the Default Apps section, you'll see a list of categories like Email, Music Player, and more. Scroll through these categories until you find PDF. This is where you'll set Adobe Acrobat as your default. Now click on the section under PDF. For many, this might currently say Microsoft Edge or another program. A list will appear, showcasing available apps that can handle PDF files. Here is where you search for Adobe Acrobat. After spotting Adobe Acrobat in the list, click on it. You might feel a sense of relief as it's generally towards the top, especially if it's recently been installed or used. Selecting Adobe Acrobat here signals to your system that this is your preferred PDF reader. Finally, to seal the deal, there is one more step, and that is to click Set Default for Adobe Acrobat. This step confirms your choice and ensures that any PDF file you open going forward opens right within Adobe Acrobat. It streamlines your workflow, bringing all the editing, sharing, and viewing tools right to the forefront each time you double-click a PDF document. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set Adobe Acrobat as your default PDF handler on Windows 10. Now, you can enjoy the full suite of Adobe's capabilities every time you open a PDF. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. Have a great day!